Good morning, my dear kids. Welcome to your maths class. And here again, I have come to make you do something very interesting. Today, we will start our new unit, that is Unit 6, numbers up to 20. I think maths is always fun as we are dealing with numbers. We are learning a lot of things, how we tackle these numbers, what we do with these numbers, what we call these numbers. So as you are aware of what we call these numbers, let's begin with the new unit now. On the first page, you are given with a beautiful picture of the park. Isn't it beautiful? This beautiful picture of park, you can see so many children, so many balls, and so many even puppies they are there, trees are there, so many things are there. Somebody asked me one day, ma'am, why do we learn maths and why do we need it? So I told that person that we apply maths everywhere, every day in our life. Why every day? If somebody asks you, how many glasses of water do you drink in a day? Then what you are doing? You are actually using maths. You are counting the number of glasses you are drinking water. If I ask you how many tiffin box, lunch boxes you all carry to school. If you carry one tiffin box, or suppose you carry two tiffin boxes, like one is for lunch and another is for fruit, then also you are using maths, isn't it? How many t-shirts do you have? Again, what you are doing? You are using maths. So maths is used every day in our life. So this is what this picture is having, so many kids in this, so many trees, so many puppies, and even they are having so many balls in their hands. So what we are doing here, we will be using maths digits to tell how many persons are there, how many girls out of them are there, how many boys are there, how many balls they are having in their hands. So here what we are asked to do is count and circle the correct number of each by looking at the picture. Balls. How many balls are there? You need to just start. I will start from the left hand side and top one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5 and 6. So how many balls are there? 6. I am encircling that number 6. Then how many nets are there? Net. This is net. One is this net and another is this net. So how many net are there in this picture? 2. I am encircling the number 2. Then they are asking how many birds are there, and birds are here on the tree. So let's count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Do you find any other bird in the picture? No, they are on trees only. So they are 9. Now next, how many dogs are there? Dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there any other dog? Here it is. 5. So how many dogs are here? 5. This is what we were asked to do in this. Suppose I ask you how many girls are there. Can you identify the girls who are here? With long hair, they are girls. The long hair, 1, 2. There are 2 girls. And how many boys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many boys are there? 8. 8 boys and 2 girls. In total, we do have 10 children in this picture. So this is what we are using maths, and we are dealing with the numbers. So I think it is fun to deal with numbers always. On the next page of your unit 6, you are given here with the number names that we have already done in our notebook as well. When we add 1 to 10, 10 and 1 makes 11, 10 and 2 makes 12, 10 and 3 makes 13, and here you are given with the spellings as well, which we have already written in our notebooks. You just need to make it a short revision. Then 10 plus 4 will give 14. And what we are doing, this 10 is at 10's place, what we will write? 1, because already it is 10. So we will write only 1 here. And these are the ones. How many ones? 4. So we will write 4 here. 1, 4, 14. And we write the spelling as well. Then 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. Why this 1 at 10's place? Because we are already writing it tens. So 10 की जो 0 है वो already included है 10 में. So we will write only 1. So this is 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, and here we have 10 tens and 10 ones. That makes 20. That makes 20. I repeat, 10 tens and 10 ones. They both together make 20. So we write the spelling of 20 as T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. So here we are given with the spellings as well as numbers. What you need to do is just trace it. You need to trace it and write it again. Now, what I'm going to make you do is, even I'm leaving these abacus pages that we have already done in our notebook. So it's quite easy for you to do yourself. Here I'm showing you another picture where there is an ice cream seller and few children are waiting for their turn to get that ice cream in a queue. There are names also written. This is Pooja and this is Advik. Pooja, Advik. Here it is written, Pooja is standing before Roma. So Roma is this girl. This is Roma. And then Advik is standing after Roma. Advik is standing after Roma. Advik is here. So this is Roma. And now Roma is standing between Pooja and Advik. They have given us the three names, Pooja, Roma and Advik. And they are telling the positions that Roma is standing before Advik and Pooja is standing before Roma. Roma is standing in between Advik and Pooja. So this is about the position, how we write before, after, between. I guess from this picture you must have got the clear idea who is after, before and between. The same ways we will be doing with the numbers here. Let me begin. We first fill before, like 6 comes before 7. So what comes before 14? That is 13. Before means उससे पहले का number लेना है हमें. What comes before 20? That is 19. What comes before 5? Quite easy. 4. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 5? Again they have written 4. What comes before 17? That is 16. What comes before 17? That is 16. So here we do what comes after. After forward counting, उससे next number बताना है हमें. What comes after 15 is 16. What comes after 0 is 1. What comes after 13 is 14. 1 4 14. What comes after 9 is 1 0 10. What comes after 18 is 19. What comes after 15 is 16. What comes after 6 is 7. What comes after 6 is 7. This was what comes before and this is what comes after. Now it is turn to know what comes between. Between, just like a sandwich. Sandwich के between में हम दो slices of breads के बीच में जो भी material रखते हैं, like vegetables रखते हैं, cheese रखते हैं, whatever we put there, that is what? Between. So in between of something, उन दोनों के बीच में होना. So which number will lie in between? Like 10, 12. It's kind of missing numbers, right? So this is 11 and then 5 and 7. We will write 6. And then 17 and 19, what comes between? 18. 17, 18, 19. You can speak in your mind the counting this ways as well. Then 11 and 12 and 13. So I will write 12. Now, what comes between 7 and 9? What comes between 7 and 9 is 8. And what comes between 3 and 5? It's 4. So here we have learned before, after and between. Before, the number which comes earlier, and what comes after, that is forward counting, the next number. This is the previous number, this is the next number, and this is the missing number which comes in between them. In between them. Hope you are clear with it. So you need to fill all the pages of unit 6 of your book till page number 7474. and show me your responses, my dear students. Have a good day. Take care. Stay safe.